guys, Ryan here from Professional Hair Labs, and I want to talk to you today about our new Dimensions adhesive. Now, our new Dimensions adhesive is one of the original full head bonding adhesives that we had in our product line, and we've always kept it simply because this is just one that's been the old reliable. We still have, tens of thousands of users globally of this product on a monthly basis, and it comes quite simply down to the fact that you get quick drying times. There's a quick application process, and once it dries completely, the hold and the peace of mind that you have is unrivaled. So look, there's not a whole lot to say about this product and its differences from, say, the Ghost Bond adhesives to this, but it does have a little bit less water resistance. It does have a little bit less of a temperature resistance, but it will ultimately give you the hold that you're looking for, as long as you're not looking, as long as you're not going into a sauna, or you're not going into, just somewhere with extreme heat. The very, very hot climates, you might want to look at one of the Ghost Bond adhesives. But for this adhesive, most people haven't changed from this that are using it, simply because it does the job for them. And our main aim and our main goal is to make sure that our customers and our clients are looked after, and that they don't have to keep guessing and jumping from one adhesive to the next. We'll always provide the best advice possible surrounding your product choice. And again, this is just one of the old reliables for people who are still wearing hair after 20, 30 years.